Welcome, guys, to another video. Today I've got something special using party poppers like this. So I want to make them into airsoft guns. So I know what you're thinking. How in the world are you going to use a party popper to shoot BBs? Well, it's actually pretty simple. So inside these hollow tubed, loaded tubes of a party popper is a can like this. So this can is normally in a position like this. There's a little rubber tab in there that keeps it shut. So it's full of compressed air when you buy it off the shelf, and then when you use it, you rotate the barrel, and you can see the little things are latched now, but when you pull it like this, it come off. So all that compressed air is released outwards into this tube full of paper and colorful paper. So I want to insert specially 3D printed tube like this and put some BBs inside. So guys, I've got two barrels printed. This is a smaller one, 3 holes, 3 barrels, and it's gonna have a lot more power than this one is going to, but it's gonna shoot tons of BBs at once, but it's most likely not gonna hurt as much. So how am I gonna keep the BBs in? I have paper on this side, paper towel, and I have another paper towel circle that I'll glue on this side after I put the BBs in. And then I have wax paper. This will be the firing end, so it's a lot harder to break out, so it builds up that pressure. And then I have paper towel on this side that I will glue in after I put the BBs in. So I'll get started putting the BBs in. So guys, I got all the BBs in that. Can't see, but I'm just gonna go ahead and glue on the outside and some on the inside. Try not to get near the edge of the holes. Super glue. Then I just go ahead and set that on there, and I'm just gonna turn it upside down on the desk over here. Just let the weight of that keep it glued together. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do this one. For that one I only did 1 BB in each barrel, but for this one I'm gonna use 2 BBs in each. Now you can see it's a little difficult for the BBs to fit in this first layer because it was on the print bed. So now, just gonna make a little circle with super glue. I don't have to worry too much about getting it close to the hole because this will be the inside of the firing zone. And then I will put that upside down as well. So I'm ready to, so this is an already cleaned out party popper. You just take off this first layer, pull out all the paper. So first I'm going to just lace the outside with super glue. We do not want this whole piece of plastic firing out of that party popper because that would not be fun. I'm not too worried about it for this particular model because oh, the glue's already set. Well, that sucks. I'm not worried about this particular model because it has so many holes. Now this one, there's going to be a lot more pressure built up in the actual tube. So I'm going to do the same thing. This time I'm going to put it in a little faster. There we go. Alrighty guys, so I've got my target here. First layer is a piece of tissue paper, regular printer paper, and then a piece of cardboard behind. So this will give us an idea of how powerful the blast actually is. And I've got my airsoft pistol here to see how far a powerful blast will go. So this is about 450 FPS if I can remember correctly. So here we go. So I think immediately I could tell it went all the way through. Yep. Sweet. So our goal is hoping for that they go all the way through. So first I will go for the one that has 5,000 little holes in it. 3, 2, 1. Now, let's check on the paper. So through the first tissue paper, through the printer paper, it went into the first layer of cardboard. Now for the 3-hole one, which should have the most power. 3, 2, 1. As I predicted, this might happen. So the whole thing got shot out. I think the BBs are still inside. So we know that 3 holes is too little. And we get a hole like this inside the cardboard if we do that. So guys, I was just looking over the slow motion and you can't even see this thing. Kinda sucked, but it must have been really moving fast if it wasn't visible to a slow motion camera. I'll have to get a better one next time. So that one left quite an impressive hole inside the back of the cardboard. As far as the multi-barrel one, I was happy with. I would definitely take this to an airsoft war. It didn't explode or anything, and the BBs, they weren't over powerful, but they did penetrate the first layer of cardboard, which would be pretty good in the airsoft war. I would suspect at a longer range it might spread a little bit. You would lose some power, so it wouldn't hurt to take a few of the barrels out, but not too many. We don't want this happening. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to the next video.